What is up, guys? It's Chris with Everydaychris, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for Tesla, tech, and everyday life. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. Today's video is all about this bad boy, the Tesla Key Fob. No, this is not my car, but I do have it for a few days while Daddy Chill or my Tesla is in service for a new battery pack. I have a separate video on that, so you can go ahead and check that out. But when life give you lemons, F the lemons and bail. If you can tell me what movie that's from, you'll get a kudos and an attaboy. No Google. So today's video is all about the Tesla Key Fob and if it's worth purchasing for your Model 3, your Model Y, or even now the new Model S and X, as it doesn't come with it anymore. I know, right? You would think these little things will be free when you spend $100,000 on a car, but no, you still have to pony up. Now, what's awesome about the Tesla Key Fob is that, well, it looks like a Tesla. Mine is a little scratched up since it's a loaner. So the cool thing about the Tesla Key Fob is that you have to use your mind to unlock the car. I'm just kidding. There's hidden buttons and hidden features with this thing, but I'll get to that in a second. I think the beauty of having a key fob to say using your phone as a key is that you don't have to worry about it connecting to Bluetooth and sometimes losing signal. Because there were a handful of times in my Model Y where I couldn't even open the door even though my phone was in range because for some reason the Bluetooth didn't connect to the phone. However, with the key fob, it always works 100%. Now, compared to normal key fobs, the Tesla looks nothing like any other key fob. There's no lock or unlock button or trunk open button, or even the panic button. Why? Because the whole thing is a button. The car opens where you press it, which is so cool. So say you wanted to open the frunk, just double press the frunk. If you want to open the trunk, double press the trunk. And if you press the trunk button while the trunk is opening, you can immediately stop the trunk from opening all the way. Say if you're in a tight spot and you don't want to accidentally risk scratching the trunk. I'm going to try that. And stop. Boom. And if you have a Model X key fob and you press the button on said door, it'll open the door, but it doesn't work on the Model S. Now, let's talk about our sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is like Wikipedia, but with videos. It's an online learning community with thousands of online classes and members with users around the world. It's a place to not only learn new skills, but get inspired with new ideas and life guidance. When I checked out the classes, there were so many to choose from. However, I was immediately drawn to the content creator part, because, you know, I guess I'm a content creator. But you can choose anything from cooking, to even building a chair, to user interface design, to communication. I mean, it's endless. I think one of the biggest classes that I enjoyed was from one of my idols, MKBHD, called YouTube, Script, Shoot, and Edit. And it was amazing to see how he created an entire video, and it really helped me in my own video making process. The interface is also super easy to use. You can bookmark the classes to watch later, add them to your calendar, and they automatically add to your iCalendar or Google Calendar, and even discuss the class with other users, which is cool. Honestly, I recommend just checking it out and join. There's no strings attached, and the first 1,000 people to sign up do get a month free of premium, and you can easily cancel it anytime. Now, back to it. So say you want to open the charge port. There's no charge port on this teeny tiny key fob. Wait a second. You just have to press and hold the trunk button while the car is unlocked, and ba-boom, the charge port is now opened. But to lock or unlock the car, you can simply just press on the roof of your Tesla. Press once to lock. A little fun fact for you is you can easily tell if your Model S is locked when the side mirrors close and the door handles are recessed into the door. And then double press the roof to unlock the car. Another cool feature is passive entry. If you look on the back of your key fob, if it says the words Model 3, you cannot use this feature. However, anything else, you can use it. It works just like the phone, where you can walk up to the car and it locks automatically and unlocks automatically, but it's 10 times more reliable. So we have a locked Tesla here. I'm just gonna walk up to it, and then it opens, so I can open the door. And then when I walk away, same thing, it automatically locks. Now, what happens if your key fob battery dies? With the Model 3 and Y and the newer Model S and X, you could just use your key card and place it on the B pillar of the car. However, if you have the key fob, it's a different way, but still pretty cool. So all you have to do is place the key fob near the passenger side windshield where the windshield wipers are, kind of like right in this area. And then you can go ahead and easily unlock the car door. And then to start the car, you simply just place the fob somewhere above the 12-volt USB port and it should start the car. And lastly, another cool feature is the ability to use the summon feature on your key fob. No phone required. It's super easy to do. All you have to do this is make sure require continuous press is set to off in the menu. You're gonna press the roof once and hold it the second time. Hazard lights are flashing. I'm gonna press the front, and then now it's driving by itself. So to stop it, you can just press any button. I'll press the front again. So press and hold. Hazard lights are flashing. I'm gonna press the trunk. And now it's going backwards. And that's it. Now on Tesla's website, it does cost $175, which isn't cheap. Honestly, I think what makes Tesla so awesome is you never have to worry about a key fob anymore. I mean, I just went to the gym and I usually have my phone on me, but with the Tesla key fob, I have to worry about one more thing to not lose. However, the only biggest issue with having a phone as your key is that sometimes it won't connect to the Bluetooth signal. Other than that, the Tesla phone is a great option. In the end, it's all up to you if you want to use your phone as a key or if you want a key fob for a no-hassle way of locking or unlocking your car door. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a key fob or if you're planning on getting one. It does seem like a good backup option to have. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time.